Hi, in this video, we are going to assemble the pencil gift card holder from my Etsy shop. Download the files from Etsy and upload to Cricut Design Space or Silhouette Cameo. The finished size is 8 inches wide by 3 inches high. Everything is already attached, so you just need to click Make It to cut. We can move around an object to save some paper. The elements have been cut. Put them together to make sure we have all of the elements. There are 7 pieces in total. The assembly is very straightforward. Grab the base piece and make sure the semicircle tab is pointing down. The first piece to attach is the pink eraser piece. We should fold the base piece before assembly. It is not a big deal, but it will be a bit easier to glue. Anyway, fold the middle of the base and the semicircle tab. Carry on to glue the black body pieces and the black pencil tip, followed by gray eraser holder piece. The next one is the yellow part. Flip over to give it a good press. Now the outside is done. Grab the last piece. We can see the dotted folding lines. First is to fold right in the middle, then fold upward along the folding lines, same as the other side. It should look like this. It is the holder for a gift card. Next, we are going to put glue on the bottom parts, but no glue in the middle. Apply the glue. Hold the middle together and align the middle of the card holder with the middle of the pencil. Take time to make sure they align properly. Close it to give it a good press. Now the gift card holder is ready. Put the gift card in and close the tab. Hope you liked the project. Happy crafting!